Kia ora, my name is Hemaima, Reihana-Tait, and my whānau are from Waihomio. I'm a Reihana from there. My role here at Te Hauora Ngāpuhi is clinical specialist support and whatever other health issues come up immediately. And I also work with the development of the staff in the clinical team, and that also requires another level, which is working at a management or leadership level, directing or developing policies, procedures, and whatever back office support is required, and also developing training and delivering training. I've had a fond and passionate relationship with primary mental health, and I've done a lot of work in primary mental health. Most people understand mental health services when they get to the point that they have to go to the hospital. So primary mental health would be working in the community at the first point of contact where people are feeling depressed or anxious or having some symptoms that are indicating that they're not able to manage either themselves or, the way that they cope, and stress management, all that sort of stuff in their families. So we need services directly in the community where people can access some direct relief for their stress. So that's primary mental health. So when people come in, our mantra, I suppose, and I've worked with this for a long, long time, that there's no ejection, no rejection. We invite everybody, we say yes to everybody, and the reality is that anybody who turns up has come because they need something. And sometimes they don't even express what they need. We have to work that out because they're so whakamā about what their experience is. So I really think that the art, our artful way of being with people has to really come out. This isn't about ticking boxes or going, do your blood pressure, do your immunisation, do whatever. We do all of those things, but it's so much more than that because people are feeling really down about just about their experiences. I think poverty is more than just not having money, but poverty of spirit. We need to find somewhere to regain all of that. And then when people are feeling good about themselves, they'll start feeding that back to their children, having good education so that they can get good jobs. All of that. Feel good about where they live. If you can make really worthy and meaningful contributions and feel good about yourself, then you're going to take home something that feels good. So every whānau needs somebody to be working to regain back, what we've lost by giving away to the system our power to do for ourselves. Don't even worry about what it is that you need. Don't even worry about whether or not you think we can do for you what you think you need. Just come in the door. Just come in the door and just say, I need help.